This real estate advantage property video is presented by Judy Kraft. This is a diamond in the rough. Solid Cape Cod home features 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths and an attached 1-car garage. Large living room with hardwood floors, country kitchen with a large breezeway and a step up to laundry and half bath. Lots of potential with this home. Just needs lots of love. Also has deeded lake rights through Greenhurst Lake Association and Prather Allotment. $10 to join the association, $35 annually for social dues, $150 annually for boat slip, and $50 for jet ski. For more information, review the details below.